Okay, wake up in the morning. The loud Polish drunks wake me up in the fucking morning. It's goddamn 6 o'clock in the morning. What the fuck? Don't you guys believe in sleeping in? Okay, I went to go live this morning and test out live, but I'm in the middle of the forest, so the connection wasn't good enough. Surprised we were able to make phone calls and a few other things. Camped last night here. A couple of crazy Polish guys hanging in hammocks as well. Had a good time chatting, doing some stuff. Got a few phone calls from some friends and stuff. So just your normal, typical life on the road. From here, they're headed back that way. I'm headed the other way. So we exchanged a little bit of what the roads are like, conditions are, mostly gravel and sand the rest of the way, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm doing that one, trying to do some testing with some things and see if you can change functions and do things while recording, but it doesn't seem that way. You really have to be careful on some of these trails. They go to sand. It's not so much that they go to sand, but like I say, when it's a busy summer season like this, you get a lot of cars that drive through here. They just tear up the packed down sand, then it's soft sand again, and it makes it hard for bikes. So you try to find the spots where the cars haven't ruined the road, but it's not always easy. All right, after talking to some Polish cyclists like I did yesterday and the last couple of days, mostly what rides this area is, because it is very famous for the Polish, is 1 week riders, 3 week, or 1 week riders, 3 day riders, 4 day riders. The 3-4 day riders basically take the train to one of the ends where the ferries are. Then they take the bike across to where the other ferry route is, and there they can take the direct trains overnight back home and come in the middle of the night, sleep on the train, get there, and take off riding for pushing it, and make this ride in about 3 days, carrying lightweight, as much as possible equipment. The thing is, in Poland, because of the prices, like most of them say, they've got to camp and this and that these days, so it makes it a little bit harder. Those that have a little bit more money will hit the hotels, which, as I said before, aren't that cheap. Camping is abundant, as you can see around me, if you're willing to sneak out into the countryside. The rest are families doing the 1 week holiday across. They'll hit more of the cheaper campgrounds so they can shower and deal with the kids and that stuff and have their holiday. Then, like we said, the next group is just the flash packers, which ride through on a weekend, a couple of days, do the trip in 2 days, and ride as fast as possible. And then you have the occasional, like me, not a huge amount, the long distance tourists who just crossing through here as part of the route to one of the other places. Okay, I just finished a live stream in this area, so I'm just going to take a quick little video here of some of the same area, just because, in case the live stream doesn't work out the way I need it to and everything else, that I do have some of the same footage showing this beautiful forest area, different stuff. But basically, these back roads can be nice, and sometimes they can be pretty harsh, but overall they are been able to pass. Camping no good unless you turn it over. Push him over, push him over. The land of Toy Toy. The land of Toy Toy. Happy campers! Yay! Is it the military? Yes! Happy toys. Going to park. Some of these areas are kind of unbelievable. They've just kind of shoved everything along the beach side, everything into the corner, which condenses all the people and all the bikes in the same area. People pretty much oblivious to anything. So, yeah. You can ring your bell, do whatever. They still don't move. Come in the herds, come in the gaggles, go on both sides. So there's almost no way around them to keep it safe.
Yeah,
The rednecks of Poland just park out here. Okay, I just went to do a little live of this little town, little city square. It failed, but I was able to upload some videos and some other stuff. It's a nice little square, so I'm just gonna do a quick little circle here, do that, and then I'm gonna head out. I'm running late to go to camping because I picked up my food, picked up some supplies, picked up some other stuff. This town here is called Phuk, B-H-U-K, Phuk. How they pronounce it, it almost sounds like fuck. And there's the little lion. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.